Hi, I'm Doyles, and this is how to enter the surf. The most basic maneuver is the up and over. The goal is to use the board to help us float up and over the wave. We want to limit the wave impact on our bodies as the wave rolls underneath us. The keys to this maneuver are angle and timing. Step 1. Grab the rails in the middle of the board, while maintaining the board at your side. Never leave the board between you and the wave. Step 2. Angle the nose of the board 90 degrees to the approaching wave. Do not expose the rails of the board to the approaching wave. Step 3. Lifting the nose up and over the wave allows the approaching wave to meet the bottom of your board. Be patient and allow the wave to come to you and the board. Step 4. As the wave makes contact with the bottom of the board, press down against this impact with hands firmly gripping the rails. Remember to focus the impact on the bottom of the board, not your body. And lastly, step 5. At the same time, extend arms to lift your body with the board. If successful, you will float up and over the wave. This is essentially the same motion you would do to jump over a fence.